Today on 10-Minute IT Jams, we're joined by Mark Ledsham, who's the COO at Currencycloud. Currencycloud is a company that provides specialist fintech, banking, and brokerage solutions. And Mark joins us today to tell us a little bit about how Currencycloud is operating in the current market. Thanks for joining us today, Mark, and welcome to the Jam.
No worries, Mitch. Thanks for having us on. I'm joining you from rainy Melbourne here at Intersect.
Oh, no, it's not too good here either. But thank you again. Thanks for joining us.
No worries.
So just to start off, can you tell us a little bit about Currencycloud in your own words and what the company does and where you're based and what your key market is?
Yeah, no worries. Absolutely. So Currencycloud is a cloud native B2B to X provider of international payment, FX, currency, and virtual account solutions collections. We are based out of London, but we're a global operating business. We have offices based in London, Amsterdam, Sydney, Singapore, and also in the US as well. So we're truly global here, but we're just expanding our operations here in Australia and Singapore also.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And can you tell us a little bit more about your presence in APAC at the moment and your growth plans over there?
Yeah, no worries. So we're going to be headquartered for APAC out of the Singapore region, out of Singapore. We have an office over there that we opened back in April, and our APAC head is Rohit Narang. So a really good operator, previous experience and an entrepreneur, and we're really excited to have him on board. We're in the process of getting our MAS license, and we're looking forward to getting that in the course of this year. But a couple of months ago, we actually got our Australian license, and our country manager, Nick Briscoe, down here is super excited by that. So we're putting the fundamentals in at the moment to really improve our offering. So to date, what our customers have been able to use us for while we've been based solely out of the UK has been international payments only. Having our license down here really enables us to offer our much broader, richer offering, which is certainly those global collection accounts and more of the liquidity and FX. And we offer that really to our clients by packaging that up behind a suite of APIs, so that they can really control that experience themselves, but we take all the hard work out of it and make that process much simpler for them.
Well, that's fantastic. Great to hear. And in terms of your business model, do you guys sell through the channel or do you go directly through customers? No,
we are a B2B to X offering. So we don't take on those end clients. I really like to use the word for ourselves, embedded, and we truly are embedded. When you use us, we're invisible to your customers. They believe it's you that's providing that service. And so all our sales are directly through our customers.
Awesome. And in terms of the demand you're seeing right now across the market for solutions, how are things kind of going in that space?
Yeah, I think what we're seeing, particularly in the APAC region, for demand is a massive increase in fintechs down here. I'm here at the moment in Melbourne at one of the conferences, and it's a really burgeoning community down here, and that expansion. What we're seeing is some significant demand, particularly as you see in the space. A lot of providers find it quite difficult to obtain banking capability, particularly in Australia. We find that, and so our offering enables them to pick up an off-the-shelf product and get it to market really quickly. So we're seeing some really good demand down here for that expanded offering that we're going to bring now we're starting to get licensed.
Fantastic. And just kind of on that note, are there any specific customers that you can mention and what they're doing with Currencycloud?
Yeah, we've got a number of providers that we have offerings for. So a company called Wallet, based up in Singapore, and Bano as well. So we're seeing a lot of activity in the banking as a service space, being able to provide that international payment capability for them. Where we're really seeing some success as well is in the wealth tech space. providers that are really giving access to customers to share trading, particularly international share trading. And we're making that embedded international payment that they're doing incredibly simple and easy. There's a couple of names I can't mention, but we're seeing some real success with that we're talking to some potential product development with some of the second tier banks here in Australia as well. So we're getting into some customers that have some really good flows, really good customer bases, and I'm really excited about that, to be able to improve their international offering that they have and make that embedded within what they're providing to their customers. Because quite often, as you know, the international payment piece is an ancillary component to what people are actually doing, which again adds to that benefit of us being embedded, because it just, they're not having to go away and think about it, they're getting a great experience.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely makes things a lot easier. And yeah, just to kind of finish up, how do people find more about Currencycloud and what you guys do?
Yeah, so we obviously have a website. Currencycloud.com is the easiest way to find us. But we have a couple of our guys down here, Nick Briscoe. You find him on LinkedIn, along with Rohit Narang up in Singapore. So they're probably the easiest ways. Or if anything else fails, just contact me on LinkedIn as well.
Well, fantastic. Again, thanks so much for joining us today, Mark. We really look forward to hearing more from Currencycloud and what you guys have in store for the future.
No worries, Mitch. Thanks for the time.